Bonjour, my name is Antoinette and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit the bell, leave me a comment about any questions that you will have during the entire video. In this video, we are going to do an unboxing of my McGrath first ever order. I've actually already opened it, but if you're interested to know what's inside, please keep on watching. So I ordered this maybe between 10 to 15 days ago. It was such a long time ago. I thought that since I went to McGrath.fr that they have a warehouse here in EU and it'll be easier for me to receive and taxes and all that will be lesser. Unfortunately, it still came from the US, which made shipping and taxes a little bit painful to bear. But anyways, if I would ask someone to buy it for me and have it shipped or go through the hassle of, meeting someone and getting it, I think the additional customs fee, tax, and shipping is all worth it. This is my first ever Pat McGrath order. I actually have two Pat McGrath lipsticks that I bought in the past, which I did not personally order. I had someone buy it for me because I got this when I was still in the Philippines. And I have two lipsticks in this pink shade, which I'm wearing right now, and this red matte shade. This is in the shade Vendetta and Polaroid Pink. So a review for the lipsticks would be for a different video. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. These are the only two lipsticks that I have. I'm planning to add more they just released their holiday collection. And there's tons of lipsticks in there that I'm interested to get. So if you guys are interested to see the quad, which I'll insert a picture here, it's so pretty. I'm planning to get it as well as the lipsticks, the entire collection, but I don't know. I just got this, so I'm contemplating. If you guys would love to help me out, please give this video a thumbs up and maybe I could, get it and make a video about it. Anyway, so this is the box that it came with. It has the invoice, you know how it is. I love this kind of thing that just lets me just do that, and it saved my life. So I actually opened it already just to look at it and make sure that it's not damaged or whatnot. And it came with this trash. I mean, there are ways to recycle this, guy, so if you could make a pillow out of it, I don't know. I really don't know right now at the top of my head, but please do recycle. This is a lot, but this is nice because in this way Pat McGrath ensure that the products are safe, because they need to be. It's not really that cheap. Okay, I love that box and simplicity. Pat McGrath all the way around is a good brand. If you look at their website, it screams luxury, it screams simplicity yet luxurious. It screams, buy me, you deserve to buy me, so I love their branding and their logo and just everything. So I got the Midnight Sun Extreme Eye Kit. It comes with the Mothership palette, one mascara, and one eyeliner for 155 euros. Standard shipping, taxes and fees total to 24.80 euros. And then I got this because they were 20% off on the website, and so I got a total of 31 euros off of what I ordered. So I paid 148.80 in total when I should have paid about 180 euros for the total amount of this order. It's crazy reading that, but yeah. This is the first thing that I got. It's the Fetish Eyelash Mascara. You will see the Pat McGrath branding in here. I'm so sorry that it is actually inverted. And the wand This looks like a really big wand. Like, look at my eye. Look at this wand. It's really big. This is a big wand. Okay, I don't have any eye makeup right now. It's free, so I could actually test some of the eyeshadow color and the eyeliner and hopefully the mascara too. Next item that we have is the eyeliner. Okay, let's open the eyeliner first and then I'll show you the eye palette. Pat McGrath Labs PERMA Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Look at this. Are you able to see this like holographic effect like that? And it is actually like a silver holographic. The text is like in a silver holographic situation right there. This packaging is over the top. Yet it's simple. And this is how it looks like. Let's actually get a swatch of that. It's really black and it's easy to apply. I would hope so, and it would really let you like get in there because of the pointy end tip right here. It actually dried down already and it dried down matte. And now the moment that we've been waiting for, okay, so it's actually, there's still more of this. And then, the palette is actually covered or enclosed, I don't know, in this huge bubble wrap, so that's a good thing. And I'm making a mess of my room right now. And this is the palette. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at the packaging right there. I really love Pat McGrath packaging. The two lipsticks that I've had, I've kept it with me for years, and I got it when I was in the Philippines, but I still kept the box. It feels so good and luxurious. Okay, so here we are. We're going to open it, and when you unlock the drawstring thing, it opens up like so, and oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So we take it out of the box, and inside the box is where you'll see the shade colors in here, and of course at the back you'll see some ingredients and some other information. But here you are, that's what I was reading, and I love reading things like this from the products I get, because I feel like, you know, it's part of what you pay for. Like, I feel that that passion and message that she's trying to send to you and flow around the community is what she's trying to do through her very expensive product. But this has a weight in it, and the back is a gold happening right there. It feels like a steel. It feels like a steel. I don't know if it is, but it does feel like it's a steel. She has her emblem or logo of some sort in here, embossed in here, or like embedded in here. And this is called Pat McGrath Labs Mothership. Use without caution. Shade throwing and eye ecstasy may result with prolonged use. Okay, so this is good for 12 months, and you get 10 shadows with 13.2 grams each. Yeah. Okay, so let's open it up. The only thing that I would be pissed about is you get your fingerprints all over this palette, which I'm not gonna be happy about that. Let's open it together. Ta-da! I love the shape of this mirror because it feels like it's a gold bar of some sort. I really don't like opening the plastic on mirrors, but this is how it looks like, as you can see. And these are the shade colors. Let's read the shade names of this palette. So I'll be reading the shades on the top row first, and then I'll go to the bottom row next. So we have Skin Show Moon Glow, Bronze Eclipse, Vermilion Venom, Blood Moon 005, Jubilee. And then we have Extreme Dusk, Taboo, Wicked Envy. And then we have the Blitz, Violet, Orchid, and Astral Solstice. So I'm going to insert an image of the swatches of this awesome shade, and I'm actually going to try to put it on off camera and put on the mascara as well as the eyeliner and let you know my thoughts afterwards, if this is worth the splurge of 200 euros or not. But I'll be back.